Whoa, let's learn stuff. Let's learn about the layers of the product concept from Chapter 8. I want to briefly just talk about what these items are because I think it's pretty interesting. So when you're buying a product, so think about it for your marketing plan. When you're offering a product, whether it's yourself or just think about it as a consumer also, there are many things to that thing that you're buying. So there's the core product, there's the actual product, and then there's the augmented product. So the core product, I'll just use an example like a car. Okay, so the core product would be the solution that product offers. So in this case, if it's a car, then generally speaking, it's about transportation, getting from point A to point B. The actual product then would be the car itself or the truck or whatever. Like that's the product. So like if you extend that to food, for example, right? Like food, I don't know, bag of potato chips, that could be like the solution would be like it's food, right? And then the actual product would be the bag of potato chips. And then the augmented product would be the additional benefits or the services that go with that. So going back to the car example, that would be warranties. So if you've anybody, or if you've bought a new vehicle yourself, they typically give you things like free oil changes for up to so many miles, warranties for so many years, and things like that. And then for your potato chips, maybe it could be if you've ever been bored while you're eating a whole bag of chips or whatever, maybe you've seen that it says something about satisfaction guaranteed, right? So if you're not satisfied with it, you could get your money back. So that's an example of an augmented product. So that's what I'm looking for when it's time for you to get to this part for assignment 6, is to talk about those parts.